Welcome back to Jorex official. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to perform the match pairing task or how to find love on Mi Amor. Yes, as you were told before, or like you were told before, you were told that Mi Amor is a platform where you can actually find love or you connect with foreign people. So on this particular video, I'm going to be showing you the exactly way or the exact way to actually connect with foreigners or to find love on Mi Amor. So before we dive into this particular tutorial right now, if today happen to be the first time you are visiting this channel, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. So on your dashboard like this, you can come to this icon. Just click on the three dash icon locating at the top of your left hand side. So after clicking on the three dash icon, you can now come to match pairing. So you click on match pairing. So after clicking on match pairing, it's going to take you to this particular place. So this is what you have to do. As you can see, the current pairing that is showing on this particular account, because I'm using a lady account, so you see that it's is it Faisal Abubakar. So this is what you have to do. The two options available are you can either chat the person by clicking on the chat, or you can actually call the person. So if you want to call this person, what you just have to do is to click on the call and you select your this thing. Then it's going to take you to where you can actually get the person number. You can call the person and you speak with the person on the phone. So aside that, if you don't want to do it that way, you can actually chat the person by clicking on the chat. So after clicking on the chat, you can now drop the person message here. So you can just message the person right here. Okay, as you can see, the person is typing, or you yourself, you can type whatever you want to type and you send to the person. Understand? So okay, let's see. You see, I can just message the person right here and I will talk to the person. So I don't want to do that right now because this is just a tutorial video. I will leave that. So let's go back. After doing that, not just that you are finding only love on Mi Amor, you also earn. So after you might have connect with the person or you speak with the person, you can now claim your daily earnings. I think this is 2,500 naira. So what you just need to do is to come right here. You see, you come right here and you click on claim earning. After clicking on claim earning,
this why I love it like this. You don't want Simbi to show the.
So if you click on it, it's going to take you to any social media, any Mi Amor account that is being connected to that particular place. So you can just like the post, you can comment if you want, or you just leave it like that. So after you might have done with that, also you can follow the page, or yes, you can follow it. You can go back now. You see that I have claimed it. So now let's go back. Let's go back and see if our earnings has been added. You see right there, I was having, I think, $8 before, but right now you see that it's now $10. Let's see, let's check it from the history. You see, I earned $2 from the matchmaking. Understand? I earned $2. Check the time here. I earned $2. So if you want to see how much I have right here, you can just switch your currency by clicking on this particular place. You can click right here, click on the USD. After clicking on the USD, now let me change it to my currency, which is Naira. You click on Naira. So you see, I have 10,000 Naira right here, meaning that on Mi Amor, $1 is equivalent to 1,000 Naira. That's what Mi Amor is paying. Understand? It's not like the normal dollar rate. on Miamor, $1 is equivalent to 1,000 naira. So that's just it. That's how you can actually earn on Miamor or find love on Miamor. Or let me put it this way, how you can find love and earn on Miamor. So this is how you can actually perform this particular task. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.